Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's me, Moody. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Make sure that your post notifications are turned on so that you are notified every time that I post. So today we're doing this super easy pop of color spring makeup look. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what to call it. I don't know what I'm going to call it just yet, but I did see I don't know her name, but I just saw this picture. My homegirl Kelly, what's good? She sent it to me, and yeah, I was like, you know what? That's gonna be cute. That's gonna be easy. This video includes drugstore products, so all my beginners out there, all my drugstore lovers out there, hopefully I use some stuff that you guys may find helpful, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some love down below in the comment section. Make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media, and I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces! Starting off by using the Clinique Moisture Surge to moisturize my face. Always moisturize your face underneath your makeup. Then I'm going to take my primers. I'm doing a Neutrogena Shine Control Primer in my T-zone. And then I'm going to take my NYX Angel Veil Primer and put that everywhere else. Y'all know that's my favorite drugstore primer. Using the Morphe Fluidity Foundation in the color F480, I believe. I'm just going to put this directly onto my face. And then I'm going to take my Real Techniques foundation brush, and I'm going to blend it all out. I'm kind of using like this tapping motion for a more full coverage. And then I'm going to go back in and kind of like do a buffing motion to make sure it's all blended out. For my brows, I'm using the LA Girl Shady liner brow pencil. I'm going to use the spoolie to brush the foundation out of my eyebrows. And then I'm going to use the pencil to outline my brows. If y'all have been watching my videos, y'all know I usually do my brows first, but I've been switching it up lately. I usually do my eyes first, but lately I've been doing my face just to kind of, you know, do things differently. So yeah, you're basically going to outline them, and then I'm going to take my Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color Dark Brown to fill them in. This is not a drugstore product, but it is a very long-lasting product. And you're going to see me kind of filling them in and then brushing them out. That's kind of how I get the more natural, almost faded brow, I guess you could say. This is the e.l.f. Eyebrow pencil brush that I'm using, actually. And I do like this one, but y'all, the Anastasia one is definitely also worth it, I will say. So after I filled my brows in, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I am going to clean my brows up. This is how you get that like freshly arched and like clean, crisp looking brow, is by concealing them underneath. So I'm just going to follow my brow, and then I'm going to blend the concealer down. And this is not the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. This is a paint concealer, like a pot concealer. Now I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer to conceal underneath my eyes and highlight. The bridge of my nose as well as my forehead. And then I'm going to take my black Opal foundation stick. I believe this one is in the color Black Walnut. I'm going to use it to contour. I don't usually do a lot on my forehead. And then I'm going to take it down the bridge of my nose, or the side of my nose. And then I'm going to blend it out underneath my cheekbones for my contour. This is just going to serve as like a base, kind of, underneath my bronzer. And I've been doing this lately, y'all. This is a highlighting brush by Real Techniques. I used to use it just for my highlight, but I've been loving using this brush to blend out my concealer, to set my concealer with powder, to sweep away and just pat the powder. It's just like a really good brush. I really like it. But yeah, I'm going to blend this out, and then I'm going to take my Real Techniques beauty sponge just to kind of further blend everything out. And then my black Opal in Neutral Light. This is going to be my baking powder today. So I am going to take this wet sponge and press that powder underneath my eyes and all of the other places that I choose to highlight. This is the Morphe Glamabronzer bronzer. If y'all watched my last video, y'all know I'm obsessed with this. Look at me. I'm so happy. I love this bronzer, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna like set my contour with this and just kind of, you know, take that washed out look away. Give me some color and some warmth back. And then I'm also gonna take it onto my eyelid. This is gonna act as my eyeshadow for today. And then I'm also going to bring it down the side of my nose. This is the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. I'm going to put this in my inner tear duct where I'm going to put my pop of color. The white pencil is going to help the color pop a little bit more. It's going to have it show up and be more vibrant. And the third shadow over from the left, in that little quad, I'm actually going to use like all of those greens. I'm going to kind of mix them together and also layer them on top of each other to get the green that I got. So I don't remember which ones I used when, just know I used all those. Super easy look, y'all, seriously. I also took a little bit of the shimmer one to give me a little bit more glow. And this is the Urban Decay eye pencil, the 24/7 glide on eye pencil, and I'm using it to tight line my eyes because I am not going to put a wing liner on today. I'm just going to go straight in with my lashes. And now I'm using that same Real Techniques highlighting brush to sweep away my powder, but as you see underneath my eyes, I'm actually going to like push the powder in while kind of buffing it out as well. If you ever feel super powdery, take you some rose water spray and spritz that on your face. It definitely helps the makeup melt. And then my Cherry Blossom eyelashes. These are the 3D lashes in the color, in the number 535. I absolutely love these. I saw them randomly at the beauty supply store, and I'm glad I picked them up because they're super cute. I hope that I'm not like talking too fast, y'all. I hope y'all can understand me and I'm making sense. Almost done. We're going to take our lip products. I'm using the Ruby Kisses lip liner in the color brown, maybe dark brown, to line my lips. I always use this pencil. Then I'm going to take Makeup Revolution's matte liquid lipstick. I believe this one is in Matte Hustle. Check the description box definitely for all of the products listed. Blend it to your liking. Then I'm going to take that NYX lip gloss. I believe this one is in the color Fortune Cookie. And this is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Just going to tap my bottom lashes with that. No liner on the bottom lash today. To finish it off, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. And then I'm going to get cute. And then I realized I did not highlight, so I'm using the Juvia's Place Nefertiti loose highlighter, and then I'm gonna go on top of that with the Essence nude highlighter. I just like never use one highlight, so sometimes I like to, you know, play with different ones. And this is going to officially complete this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if so, and I will see you in my next one.